Welcome to Stormly, the product analytics tool built for e-commerce. Most e-commerce teams already use analytics tools, but they still spend hours building manual reports, digging through data to find answers, trying to make sense of complex numbers. Stormly makes it so much easier. Our AI agent delivers clear insights straight to your inbox. Dashboards let you dive deeper whenever you need. Choose from a library of reports tailored for e-commerce teams, and if you don't see the report you're looking for, we'll build it for you. Now, let me walk you through one of the key dashboards and reports. Here's the dashboard view. For example, we can see the average order value per category. Suits show the highest order value, while toys are significantly lower. You can also break this down by size, brand, or any other property you track. Next, we're looking at total quantity sold by brand in the last 30 days. We can also compare the full journey from visiting the webshop to completing a payment across countries like Spain and Germany. For Spain, conversion is higher, 9.75% versus Germany's 8.13%. Time spent per journey step is also visible. On average, Spanish shoppers spend about 2 minutes more before completing a purchase. You'll also see revenue breakdowns by brand, with the option to slice by other properties like category or size. Now, those were aggregated insights, but let's drill into more specific performance like how individual brands convert per product view. Modern Classics shows a high conversion, while Acts of Life is lower. This is the conversion from viewing to purchasing a product. We can also compare metrics between two date ranges, like the last 7 days versus the previous 7. You can track events like viewing items, adding to cart, or making a purchase, then calculate the conversion difference and its significance. Going deeper, we can segment this by brand. The more combinations you select, the more results Stormly shows, giving you detailed breakdowns. To stay on top of things, you can skip logging in and receive a daily email summary of only significant changes. I've set up a report that sends an email at 9 a.m. The AI agent answers the question I've entered, like comparing changes between this week and last and showing only what really matters. Here's how the email looks. A short summary highlights key drops in conversion or gains in revenue for specific brands. Scroll down for deeper findings and brand-level detail. You can always click through to open the report directly. Another powerful feature is the New Arrivals report. It tracks how newly launched products perform within their first 24 hours or whatever window you configure. You'll quickly see which products are under or overperforming, helping you make faster inventory and merchandising decisions. You can slice by brand, category, or size, or just analyze each product individually, even if you launch thousands in a week. Ask the AI agent a question like, which new arrivals perform significantly better? And it does the heavy lifting for you. Instead of manually sifting through endless rows of data, the AI picks out the top outliers automatically. You can even schedule these AI-driven reports like every Monday at 9 a.m. to land right in your inbox with fresh, actionable insights. Just choose what data to include. If you go too granular, Stormly will let you know it had to trim the dataset. In this case, we'll focus only on individual products, not brands. The report shows that for this date range, there were no major breakout successes, mostly due to low view counts and conversions, but a few items did stand out with slightly better sales. Click any report title for more detail, see absolute and relative conversions, or switch to table view. Table views are especially helpful when slicing by properties like device type. Spanish tablet users perform slightly better early on, but desktop converts better in the end. Germany shows a similar trend. That's how easily Stormly lets you explore your data from every angle. For charts, there's a display limit. If you're tracking 1,000 brands, not all will show visually, but the table view will include everything. You can also export to Excel to build your own visuals or presentations. Stormly also supports advanced filtering. For example, show revenue by brand, but only for customers who purchased more than 2 items. You'll see the total drop when filtering for repeat buyers. Remove the filter, and the number goes back up just like that. Creating reports from scratch is easy. Head to the Reports tab, where you'll find options tailor-made for e-commerce. Let's explore how to set up a period-over-period report comparing yesterday to the day before. Each report asks a few guided questions. Here, we'll track how many people viewed, added to cart, and purchased an item. We'll also calculate total revenue and segment by color. We can define a conversion like the percentage of product views that resulted in a purchase. We then see yesterday had more views and more active users, but conversion dropped slightly, and that drop is statistically significant. We can ask the AI agent to explain why. For example, it might find that products in the beige color underperformed compared to gray or blue. Once ready, we just save the report and choose which part, chart, table, or summary to add to the dashboard. Here's how it appears on the performance dashboard. So, whether you want to dig into micro details or just get a morning summary with the highlights, Stormly gives you powerful, flexible insights automatically. And that's just the beginning. With Stormly, you don't just track your data, you act on it. Whether you're tracking trends, analyzing conversions, or getting daily AI summaries, Stormly gives you fast, flexible insights built for e-commerce. Sign up today and empower your product UX and merchandising teams to make smarter decisions without the guesswork.